In this video, you will learn about the key elements of the user interface in Adonis. Adonis Start page offers you quick access to the models you have most recently opened, as well as to your favorite objects and models. Switch between different scenarios. Click on New to create a new model or object. Click on Find to access the Explorer or enter a specific search. Navigate between models and objects or click on Quick Access to get to the recently opened models or your favorites. Type the text you want to search for and extend your search by applying options and filters. Click on Analyze to run analyses, create reports, and view different dashboards. Use the State filter to only visualize models in a desired state. Switch between the open tabs. Head to Help if you want to access the user manual, tutorials, webinars, and other resources. The User drop-down menu enables you to change your password, switch the language, set your user preferences, and log out. Use the Home icon to get back to Adonis Start page. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.